Elvis Okoth, you have been charged with an offense of assault causing actual bodily harm contrary to section 251 of the Penal Code, particulars are on 25th day of November 2025 at Kim's Towers, Ngong Road, area in Kibra Sub-County within Nairobi County, willingly and lawfully assaulted Mary Claire Osewe, thereby occasioning actual bodily harm. True or not true?
Not true.
You know, in regards to Washbill,
Your Honor, we would wish to make an application under Article 49, 1H of the Constitution, for the accused person to be released on cash bail. Your Honor, the accused person is not a flight risk. Secondly, the accused person has a fixed abode and is willing to cooperate with the investigators. Your Honor, the accused person is also willing to attend court when required, and he also has no prior records. For those reasons, we would wish for the accused to be granted favorable bail and bond terms as security for him to attend court.
you know, we are at the suggestion that the court suspends granting of bail or bonds until such a time that a pre-bail report is available before the court. Reasons being, Your Honor, that this is a case of GBP. The complainant is an ex-girlfriend to the accused person. And this matter is related to a miscellaneous application coming before you, where it is alleged that the accused person also assaulted the complainant and burnt her with acid. And so we believe that she's not safe with the accused person out on bond or bail. A pre-bail report will give this information before the court. The court can then determine whether it's favorable to be given bail or false.
Mentioned in trial court 5 on the 31st of March for pre-bail to be availed as well as pre-trial to be done in this matter.